If you've been near a chart, you've heard of the RSI, or Relative Strength Index, a classic created by J. Wells Wilder. Whether you prefer price action or rely on indicators, everyone can find a use for it. But while the markets have changed over the last 46 years, the RSI hasn't, until now. Our developers have taken what we've learned from the classic RSI and created a new, ultimate RSI. And the result? A game changer. So let's dive into how the ultimate RSI has changed the game and how you can get it today for free. Once you remove the old RSI and add the new ultimate RSI to your chart, the first thing that will stand out is how much cleaner this version is. This was the main focus when developing this version, a strong emphasis on trend identification. When there is a cross above the 50 line, we can consider the market to be bullish, and when it's below the 50 level, bearish. If the RSI goes above the 80 level or below the 20 level, it does not necessarily mean to take a reversal trade. The market could be extremely bullish or extremely bearish, only when supported by additional confirmation, such as the signal line crossing the RSI, should you consider a sell. But even if this does happen, it could just be a retracement in the overall trend. In this example, we see the signal line crossing above the RSI, but we are still above the 50 level, which means we're still very much bullish. This pullback could retest the 50 level to continue the current trend. If we go into the settings, we can see that by default, the RSI is calculated using a rolling moving average, RMA, but we allow users to use this drop-down to change that to any other method. If we select the triangular moving average, TMA, we achieve much smoother trend transitions from the RSI. However, remember that the smoother the RSI, the less reactive it will be to trend changes. When compared to the regular RSI in this example, you can see we're in a downtrend, but notice how many times the regular RSI provided false signals. In contrast, the new version avoids this issue. As we go below the 20 level and the signal line smoothly crosses the RSI, we can take a trade to ride that retracement back into the 50 RSI zone, avoiding all false signals. You can get this version of the RSI for free at luxalgo.com/library by searching for Ultimate RSI. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.